Hi, third grade, it's Mrs. Anderson. I'm going to walk you through your activity for today. So far, you've listened to the read aloud about Memorial Day here. And now we're going to go on to our assignment for today. We're going to have some fun with inferencing today and thinking about nonsense words or silly words. You're going to be reading a passage that has silly words that are highlighted in red. As you read, you want to try and infer what those red words actually are. So here's our first passage. This one's called RUPs. RUPs are very important to our country. They are stationed all over the world. They work for our country and they are very important individuals. They protect us every day. Many RUPs have died serving our country and many are still serving today. So let's complete our chart down below. After reading this, I'm thinking maybe RUPs means police officer. So that's my first inference. I'm going to type that here. And then I always have to go back to my reading and I have to provide proof for why I think that. I think that maybe RUPS means police officer because it said in the first sentence, RUPS are very important to our country. So I'll type that under the reason or proof. Now, as I kept reading, I also thought, thinking back to our Memorial Day passage, that maybe RUPS meant armed forces. So that's my second inference. I'm going to type that here. And then again, I need a reason for why I think that. And the reason that I thought maybe it was armed forces is that the last sentence said, many are still serving today. So notice that in order to come up with the inferences, I thought about what I read about in the text. And those are my reasons or my proof that I put over here. Once you've come up with two inferences for the reading and two pieces of proof to support them, you can come over to this blue box on the side and it's going to have the actual answer behind it. So you'll just click the box. And when you get those 4 arrows on it like that, you can drag it away. And the correct answer was soldiers. There's a picture and our answer right there. So I'm going to read it one more time, now reading it with the right word. I think we came pretty close with armed forces. Soldiers are very important to our country. They are stationed all over the world. They work for our country and they are very important individuals. They protect us every day. Many soldiers have died serving our country and many are still serving today. I hope you had fun doing that. Now it's your turn to give it a try with a couple more readings. You're going to complete slide 4 for FONRUPs. And remember, the answer is behind this blue box, but try and figure out 2 inferences and reasons before you move that answer box. If you want to hear FONRUPs read aloud to you, remember to just click right here on that speaker so that you can hear it. Then you're going to complete slide 5 for BAPS. And same thing, you can click this speaker if you'd like the story read to you. Have fun with inferencing today.